Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out Google account from other devices, and this method both works for iPhone user and Android user. So let's get started, and by tap on your browser. So you can use any browser of your choice, but I'm using Safari currently. So you're going to tap on, you're going to search Google, okay, account .google account.google.com. okay, you can see you're going to make sure that your Gmail is logged in already before you can get this method done. Then you're going to tap on security, then you scroll down and tap on manage all devices. Then right here you have all the list of devices that has been logged in on your Gmail. So you're going to tap on any one of them, and you want to tap on sign out. You can see, then we'll tap again, sign out. So if you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.